Hey, hi everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. So, guys, I hope you all are doing good. So, guys, in last video, I have discussed one important interview question that was asked in Goldman Sachs, right? So, guys, in same continuation video for last video, this is part 2. I'm going to explain one more question that he asked in the Goldman Sachs interview question. So the question guy, how to write the code for Pascal triangle. So first you need to understand what is Pascal triangle. Then I will explain with the code how we need to write the code for corresponding question, right? So let's see. First, let's understand what is Pascal triangle. So guys, see, you could see that this is guy called Pascal triangle, but you need to know why it is called Pascal triangle. So guys, see, this is guy first row, right? Then is second row, that is third row, fourth row, fifth row, right? Then it is sixth row, then it is seventh row. So guys, total we have seventh row. So guys, this all the seventh row means it is called one Pascal triangle. But how it's forming, guys? How it's forming? So guys, understand carefully, guys. See, in first row, guys, we have one element that is 1, and you can see in the second row we have 2, right? So 1 and 1, guys. Now you can understand from third row how it's going to calculate. See, guys, so 1 and 1, guys, how much? It is 2. That is, so adding this 2 number, it will become say middle number of third row. Now guys, you can see in fourth row. So 1 2, guys, how much? This 1 plus 2, how much, guys? 3. Then guys, 2 plus 1, how much? 3. And last one is there. So you can see each and every row, first and last element of the row is common, guys. You can see this is the second row, first element and last element is common. Third row, guys, you can see first element, last element is common. Right, guys? Then you can see, guys, fourth row, right? First one, first row, second row, third row, fourth row. You can see 1 and this one is common. But how we are going to calculate, guys? You can see here 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 1, 3. Then it get fourth row, right? Here you can see fifth row, how it's going to calculate, how it's going to form. See here, 1 plus 3, how much? 4. 3 plus 3, how much? 6. 3 plus 1, how much? 4. Last element is 1 common. Guys, you can see then 6th row, 1 plus 4, 5. 4 plus 6, 10. 6 plus 4, 10. 4 1 plus 5, 1 is common, guys. Last row, guys, 7th row, you can see 1 plus 5, 6. 5 plus 10, 15. 10 plus 10, 20. 10 plus 5, 15. 5 plus 1, 6. 1 is common. Okay? If you can see such type of triangle, if it is forming, that means we can say it is a Pascal triangle. So they will give such type of triangle and they will tell you need to write the code and you need to find the element, guys. See, they may give, this is a fourth row. Fourth row, second element. What should be the number? After writing the code, if you are going to pass fourth row, third element. So guys, you need to print 3. Guys, seventh row, fourth element. If you are going to pass in the input, what? If they will give the input here, can you tell me what will be the fourth element in seventh row? Right? This is 1, 2, 3, 4 element. Then guys, you need to print 20. So guys, if they will give this input, what? Fourth row, second element, then 3 you need to print. So any combination they will tell you, that means you need to write the code for that. So guys, we'll start this code, guys, how it's going to manipulate and how it's going to form Pascal triangle. So guys, without any delay, we'll start. Okay guys, then we'll start guys. So we'll create guys one class first. Okay, so we'll create one class. Okay, so guys, class name should be what? Pascal triangle, right? Pascal, right? Triangle. Okay, so I've created one Pascal triangle, right? So done, right? So guys, we have created one Pascal triangle, right? So guys, please consider it carefully. It's important. This question I asked in Goldman Sachs, right? That is very reputed company. That is product-based company. So this type of question they may ask. Suppose whenever if you're going to give any interview in product-based company, not only in Goldman Sachs, any product company, such type of question generally they are going to ask. Okay. So guys, please concentrate. So guys, see what I will take here. I will take input from the user. Okay, that's why guys I will write here what sys out and I will tell to the user print the row and column for Pascal triangle guys. So guys, that purpose you can write here enter the what? Enter the number of row and column for the what? Pascal triangle, right? So as per input, what we need to pass our right? What the row and column we need for finding the corresponding what element in respective Pascal triangle. That's why we need to enter this line, right, guys? Guys, then next what we need to do? We need to take a one scanner class, right? So a scanner new scanner, right? Guys, in that we should have system, right? Okay. After that, we will take two value row and what column. For the purpose, I can take right int row equals to what get our int dot what next int, right? Right. We can take the integer value from our input. Right. Corresponding guy, I can take one column value, right? I will take one column value, okay? Just copy and paste here. Only change our what variable name is column. I have taken one column value as well. Good. Then again, I will create one method, right? I will create one method by which we can generate the Pascal triangle. Right? So for that purpose, we can create one method and I will implement. I can give the implementation correctly. So generate Pascal triangle and get this Pascal triangle expect to input. Okay, it will expect to input row and column. And column guy. Right? So guys, for that we need to implement. Okay, create this method again. Create. So guys, that is same guy. So we'll remove this thing. Right? So guys, what the implementation we need to provide this method guy. Generate Pascal triangle. So guys, see first I will take one what int of add again for Pascal. So guys, Suppose int array that guy Pascal. Okay, equals to what? New Pascal. So a new int guy, that is guy row and column. That is guy row and column. Row and row only guy, because I will set the value at row what the value we need to provide guy. That's why I have taken one what integer of array of Pascal. And then guy, what I mentioned right in this place, so we have guy number one. See, you can see that is the guy common guy for each and every row for first and what last, right? You can see that is one is the common for row in one for the every row, right? And also you can see every column, that is a common guy one. First element and last element is common. So guys, that's where we can take here what int number one, number one equals to one, right guys? Okay, then we can take one for loop for our row, right? So guys, see for int r equals to 0 and r less than row, right? R less than our row. Whatever row we are going to provide, that should be less than from the row, right? Okay, then what? R plus plus. This thing you know very well. Good guy? Good. Then inside this for loop, we are going to take what? Our Pascal, what we have created, right? This line guy, right? This line number 7 we have created int of Pascal, right? So int array of Pascal guy. So guys, in this place what we need to do guys, so we can take guys Pascal array of what r, and in this part guy we can put 0 guy, we can put 0, right? This is row guy r value, and we're going to next row value is 0 guy, and that is assigned to what guy? Number 1. Okay, that should be assigned in number 1. Okay, yes. So guys, then we'll take a one more for loop that will what? Do the opposite of what? Column, right? So guys, see for I can take what? Column. So column will start get from 1, c equals to 1. Then guys, c less than equal to our row value है. What? C less than equal to what? Our row value. Right? Then guy, what? C plus plus. Then we can increment our column guy. Okay? This thing I have mentioned. Right? Then inside the guy we need to write our logic. Right? Right? What giving error guy here? Okay, I didn't mention the type of this column. So this is get. Okay, now we can write Pascal row and column. So Pascal row is R binary variable and C is our column. Then it's equal to get what? Pascal of what? Pascal get consider here. Pascal of whatever our row at -1. That should inside this our array guy. So R -1 and guy in that array we need to pass what? C -1 means column -1, and that need to add guy plus we need to pass the Pascal of what? Pascal of r minus 1 is whatever row we're going to pass, r minus 1, and get in that we need to pass our column. Right? That is our logic we should print. This place we need to add r inside our array. Okay, great. So that should we need to write, and then after this for loop we need to print our result, right? Sys out. So what we need to print we need to print what Pascal triangle value, right? Pascal triangle value, Pascal triangle value at row where plus row value row value right? Row value, then column 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 value is then we need to print our respective value, right? Then Pascal, right? Row minus 1 column minus 1, right? That thing we need to print right? I hope you understood right? Okay, that should we need to write, okay? Then we need to check our what expected output is coming or not, okay? I hope this should work properly, guys. Okay, so I see. So first I will debug the code, guys. Then I will run the application in front of you. First I will run the application. So run as Java application, right? Okay. Enter the number of row and column for the Pascal triangle, right? Yes or no, guys? So that thing we have done, right? We can come here. So guys, see first, let's see. This is first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row. So if I want to see fifth row, fourth element, first one, first, second, third, fourth, fifth row, fourth element is 4, right? Fifth row, fourth element is 4, right? So guys, we need to write here what? Fifth row, that is first is the row and fourth is the column, right? So what should be the value? You can see 4 is printing or not. So what I have told, you can see here. So in the fifth row, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth, fourth element is this one. Guys, now you can see this is seventh row, and first, second, third, fourth, fifth, right? Seventh row, fifth element. We can check what is coming. Seventh row, fifth element, guys. Seventh row, you can run the application, guys. Seventh row, fifth element, guys. Seventh row, fifth element. Guys, this is the seventh row and this is fifth element. Okay, then enter. Guys, you can see what is result coming, guys. 15 coming or not. You can see in our input. Seventh row, fifth element, 15 coming, guys. So it is expected. Yes or no? You can check third row, second element. third row second element, third row second element get, third row second element, right? You can see it, third row second element means 2 guys. So you can see here 2 is coming or not, see 2 is coming or not coming guys. So guys, what we understood, if you want to make what, if you want to make Pascal triangle, that means you need to write such type of code in front of the interviewer. That means they'll come to know this is the correct way to find out the what, Pascal triangle. Okay, also guys, I will show with debug. Okay, then we'll come to know very easily. See guys, I'm going to put here 14 point, I'm giving one breakpoint. I'm running the application in debug mode guys. You can see here debug mode Java. See guys, if I'm giving here what, suppose I will show one input guys. See, that is guys third row, fourth row third element, fourth row third element 3, right? Yes, fourth row third element, fourth row third element, right? Cursor is coming this place, right? I'm giving this breakpoint this place. Till now we can see again what I given get, third row I've entered third row and third element, right? Third row, so fourth row third column, right? What should be the value, right? That thing we want to print. So guys, see, you can see here. So next we have, so it's created on what, Pascal, right? Yes or no? Right? You can see here. So row and row, right? Guys, and next, already I mentioned you, I have statically I am given what, number 1 equal to 1 guy, right? So then next you can see our row started from 0. So our 0 is less than our enter value guy. So you can see we enter guy 4, so that is less than our row. Okay, this is the first iteration guy. This is the first iteration. Suppose once if you're going to find row as a 0 guy. See, if you're going to pass row as 0, that time this loop will be work guy. See, then guy we going next line. Then you can see guy what is the this value, because I'm giving first guy first iteration, that's why this value is coming, because number 1 value is 1, that's it showing the 1 value where you can see here. Okay, then you can go next line, because it's the first row guy, nothing is there, only 1 is there, right? You can see here in first row only 1 is there, nothing we have any other element, right? That's why go in, let's go next iteration, right? So guys, then next we are going to come here. This time guys r value will be 1, right? N, because it iterates guys. Now it will increment with 1, right? So now 1 is less than, you can see guys 1 is less than what, given row value, not yes, it satisfies guys, right? Row is 4 and this is guys first iteration, right? Okay, then you can see that it will increment r plus plus. Then you can guys see in this next line what is the our response. Okay, this time you can see here, right? So number 1 is 1 only. Then guys you can see here this time it will go inside this control, because in second row guys, in second row this is get 2 value, right? 1 1, okay, that's why 1 plus 0 guys 1, right? So you can see now we'll jump into this place guys. So it will calculate guys. So Pascal r minus 1. So r minus 1 is guys r is 1, right? R is 1 minus 1 0, right? C, that is first iteration, C minus 1 minus 0 guys. Guys, this is a calculation. After calculate this thing guys, and after Pascal r minus 1 and C value, it will add and it will store this row and column value guys, what we need, right? So what row and column after entering what should be the addition of these two guys, that should be the result print guys. Okay guys, same thing you can see next iteration. This is guys first iteration, and guys see this is guys r will be 2 guys, you can see 2 or not. So guys what we have given r equal to 4, right? So it will iterate till our request, it will iterate till our request. Now you can see here what is the value of r. So guys, this time r is 3, right? This is our guys, this is our request, right? So now guys, this time it will pick our request guys. See, this time guys, our request will completed. So what is the code guys? Then you can see what is the result coming guys. So now we can see the result guys. You can come here, you can see, and you can fourth row and third column result is 3. You can check here guys. Fourth row, so 1 2 3 4. Fourth row third element is 3 or not? Fourth row third element, yes or no? Fourth row third column is 3. That means guys, we can understood as per this logic we can able to find Pascal triangle. So guys, that's it. This video. This is very important interview question which is generally asked in the interview. Not only in Goldman Sachs, any product-based company. Sometimes you may, if you apply Google, or Microsoft, Amazon, so and happy estimate also sometimes such type of question they are going to ask. So guys, please be prepared such type of question in your bucket. So if you're going to attend any product company, definitely such type of question they may ask. If you will prepare early, definitely you can what, write the code in front of him very confidently. That's it guys, thank you. So if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe and click notification button. Whenever if I upload any coding question or any concept, you will get notified very early. Thank you guys. Bye bye. We'll meet very soon in next video.